We can use the buttons to record sounds.
What kind of sounds?
Anything you like. Say something.
Peppa.
Peppa.
That's me!
Now we can play the sound.
Can we do some recording?
Of course.
Say something, George. George, this is George. George, this is George. George, this is you. Dinosaur. Let's do lots of sounds and surprise Daddy.
What a good idea.
Come on, George.
Peppa and George are recording lots of different sounds. In the kitchen,
Down in muddy puddles, splish splash, splash, splish splash.
In the bedroom.
living room, in the hallway, even in the garden.
Peppa, George, Peppa, George.
Peppa, George, Peppa, George.
Daddy will be home soon. Have you finished recording your sounds?
There's just one more. Come on, George. Follow me.
What sound can it be?
It's a very important sound.
Peppa is going into the bathroom.
Flush the toilet, George. You know. Shalamakuki. That's not the word I said.
Oh, can I be in your secret club, please? Please, I've always wanted to be in a secret club.
It's very hard to get into.
Please,
It's very hard to get into.
please.
It's very hard to get into. Club